This is the day the Lord's made. I'll rejoice and be glad in it. Let me first thank all of you for your initial support of the restoration efforts of Love City, USA, our Love City, USA campus. Now, the restoration of Love City, our East campus, from the extensive tornado wind damage is moving forward with tremendous momentum. The over 20% replacement of the main auditorium roof have been completed. Other roof leaks throughout the roof system have been addressed, and the eaves and the soffits that were damaged are being repaired, ensuring that the building is entirely dried in. Now, the mold and mildew remediation process is actively underway, and soon we'll be able to assess the extent of the water damages, and then we'll move to the next phase of restoration. Now, the dedicated technicians that we have are working meticulously, restoring the air condition and the electrical system. You know, it's a tedious but necessary task to ensure the comfort and long-term functionality of our facilities. Now, we still have a ways to go. Now, phase 2, which we are about to launch of this project, includes the massive cleanup of the downed trees across all of the areas, all of the grounds, and to get the security fencing back in place. All of this is forthcoming. Now, our goal is to continue to stand in faith for the $1 million needed to see these phases of the project through. Now, we believe with every fiber of our being that the resources will be in hand precisely when they are needed. Now, I urge you to stay in agreement with us for the rest of the 3,000 individuals whom our ministry has blessed, that the people will respond to our simple appeal of $52 for Operation Project Restoration. Now, you know, it's easy to pass up the witness impulse from the Spirit of God to be a part of such a project as this, believing that so many other people out there will do their part, will do something. But listen, we need everybody. We need you to do your part. So I'm in faith that you will join. Not many people are giving again, and we appreciate that. But you'll join in with so many others who've expressed their caring love with their gifts. Had something really amazing that happened just a few moments ago before I came in here to tape. A parent walked up to me and said, my son got up this morning, 7-year-old son, and he said, he had a $20 bill. He said, I need to sow this into Love City because we have to do our part. And he said, it was amazing. It really touched my heart before I came in here, because even a child, 7 years old, understand everybody has to do something. Now, we're determined to bounce back better and beyond to the glory of God. Now, in closing, I want to address several people who I believe God is speaking to about gifts of several sizes: $100, maybe $1,000, or even $10,000. Use the information on the screen or use any of our giving platforms to sow your seed. Yes, during the telethon, we released our faith for giving at various levels, and many people have done so. Many have pledged, but many have done so. Now, of the 20 that we were asking to sow the $10,000 seed, we have received 11 of them, and I'm believing for the other 9. All right, praise the Lord. Now, we're trusting that all will obey God, the witness of the Spirit, to join in this noble effort. I speak to the favor of God that has been promised over your life for your participation, and that God will open doors, and that God will raise up others who use their power, their ability, and their influence to help you. I want to thank you in advance for helping us save generations.